Hello friends, and welcome back to our YouTube channel of Alicante Real Estate. My name is Alex, and like always I am delighted to make these kind of videos for their customers and followers and show you the best properties, the best possible options at our beautiful and sunny Costa Blanca region. Today we want to share with you one new build project that already come on sale. You can be the first to reserve. Why we do this video? Because now last time we are working a lot with new build. We have a lot of experience on selling new build, mostly of new build, which we have now last time is in Torrevieja at our beautiful city. And this time we got something new. That's why we want to share this project with you, friends. You can be first who reserves, because this building is awesome. So behind me we have this plot on which a building will be built. The building will have 8 apartments, 8 two-bedroom apartments, each floor 2 apartments. So we have 8 apartments, and we have one unique rooftop penthouse. So the penthouse, imagine it's only one. All floor will belong to the client that will reserve. You will have your own elevator going upstairs, so you will go out from the elevator and you will be direct on your own penthouse that will have this whole surface of the 5th floor. Here in the ground floor we will not have any apartments. It will be a parking, a communal parking for 10 cars. The first full reserves will have the best place in the shadow, and very important, friends, we will have a nice medium-sized swimming pool also in the same community. The location is very nice location. Actually, my uncle from Germany, he wants to buy something here in Spain. This is something that fits his budget. The first thing I did when I seen the project, I called him and I said, we have something new. It's near where my parents are living, but it's not because this, is because it's a quiet residential area that is called La Loma, and we don't have a lot of high buildings here. It's very quiet, a nice neighborhood. From the 3rd floor, all apartments will have a sea view. The penthouse will be amazing because we had one penthouse here in the next building, and I seen the views that you will have. The penthouse will be amazing. So also important thing about the penthouse, it will have 70 square meters terrace, 2 bedrooms, nice floor plan, big size, and 70 square meters size. Yeah, this is amazing. So that's why we want to share this project with you. All the bedrooms goes to the facade, no patios, no typical Spanish patios. Everything has light, top orientation, views. Starting price for 2-bedroom apartment in the 1st floor, 269,000 euro, and from the penthouse is 349,000 euro. The penthouse is top. It's one of the best penthouses, or the best one you can get now. So be quick. The whole project will be done in 1.5 years. Everything will be finished. So it's time to make your reservation, flexible payment plan, and you can also, when you reserve, you have a bank guarantee. Contact me if you need the floor plan, information, anything you need. I will kindly share all the details about this project with you. Share this video with your family, your friends. Maybe somebody is looking for a new build. It's very good project. We very like it. We want to share it with you. And yes, be quick, make your first reservation and reserve the best possible option, because at the moment everything is available. Subscribe this channel, share this video with everybody, and yeah, I see you next time at our beautiful sunny Costa Blanca region and at our YouTube channel of Alicante Real Estate. Adios.